Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about props handling, an advanced topic. All right, I always try to just summarize what Robin talks about in a section in just one sentence, or just talk about what exactly we're trying to achieve. And just looking at the code, the final code that he has at the end of the section, it looks like one of the major things he did is create another component that is called item. So we are modularizing this app even further. So, and the way we're going to do it is like so. And all we're going to do is just return the item. That's it. So we're creating this component item, and it's just displaying the item. Remember where this component currently resides, right? It's where? In here, right? So we don't have this anymore, right? We could just do now item, right? And item, something like this, right? I think I did right. So, but Robin took it a step further, and he kind of extracted the item. Well, he separated the item object key and the rest of the items. What I'm trying to say is, remember that each component that you have in a list, you have to provide a key. And if you don't know, now you know. And so for the key, we're going to use the item dot object ID, and then this part stays the same. So all we did, again, to reiterate, create a new item component, call on it here, provide the following for the key, because whenever you have a list, like you're mapping something, you're creating a bunch of elements, you need to provide a key, and and it has to be unique, and that unique key is going to be the object ID. And then we're forwarding the remaining part of the item. And if you're not familiar, and if this doesn't look right, you don't know what this means, look up map, because it's just that map is just an array function. And we're just saying forward item to item. And that's it. I believe that's all he really did. He talks about deconstructing a lot more, and feel free to check out that section. And he has a link to where you can read more about it. I personally, this is what I take out of this section, and that's it. I believe that's, let me just double check and make sure I didn't miss anything else. Yeah, so let me just double check this and make sure nothing broke on our page. So here's our page, and it starts off with React, and if I search for, yeah, everything works just fine, right? Cool. That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and do me one more favor. Please share this playlist on social media. LinkedIn would be great. Twitter is good. Maybe even Facebook. Thank you so much, and till next time, take care.